Kiran Rijiju has posted another explosive video alleging it shows Congress MPs inside the Speaker's chamber during the February 4th confrontation. Calling it an ambush in the chamber, Rijiju accused the opposition of targeting Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. So new videos are being released by the Union Minister, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju, highlighting what transpired, what was behind the February 4th confrontation. One video is from inside the House, when you see the women MPs gherawing the Prime Minister's chair, the BJP MPs with folded hands urging them to go back to their seats, and the other video is from the Speaker's chamber. Let's play out that video and let's listen into what transpired.
जब 20-25 कांग्रेस एमपीज स्पीकर के चैम्बर में जबरदस्त घुस गए तो मैं भी दौड़ के गए कि भाई स्पीकर साहब के साथ क्या बदसलूकी किया जा रहा है। तो वहाँ इतना गाली गलौज किया गया और वो भी प्रियंका जी और वेणुगोपाल जी भी वही थे, उन्हीं के सामने मैं गाली किया है। वेणुगोपाल जी और प्रियंका गांधी जी ने गाली नहीं दिया।
So there was a heated exchange in the Speaker's chamber as well. Let's now listen into what the Union Minister Kiran Rijiju said earlier.
20-25 कांग्रेस एमपीज स्पीकर के चैम्बर में जबरदस्त घुस गए तो मैं भी दौड़ के गए कि भाई स्पीकर साहब के साथ क्या बदसलूकी किया जा रहा है। तो वहाँ इतना गाली गलौज किया गया और वो भी प्रियंका जी और वेणुगोपाल जी भी वही थे, उन्हीं के सामने मैं गाली किया है। वेणुगोपाल जी और प्रियंका गांधी जी ने गाली नहीं दिया, उनके मौजूदगी में कांग्रेस एमपीज लोग ने बहुत गाली दिया और कहा कि प्रधानमंत्री, देश का प्रधानमंत्री का हम लोग क्या करता है आप लोग देखो, प्रधानमंत्री जब आएंगे सदन में उसके साथ क्या करता है आप लोग देख लो।
Kiran Rijiju said. Now, he's released one video from inside the House where the women MPs were seen gherawing the Prime Minister's chair. This is from the Speaker's chamber, and the same women MPs along with others present in the Speaker's chamber as well. Kiran Rijiju says wahan gali galauch hua when they heard that the Congress MPs have reached the Speaker's chamber. He went there as well to see what was happening, and there was clearly a heated verbal exchange. We heard that in the video as well. Let's now listen into the reactions coming in, starting with Shehzad Poonawalla from the BJP.
पहले दो वीडियो किरण रिजिजू जी ने ट्वीट किए जिससे कि पता चला कि कैसे सुपारी लेकर प्रधानमंत्री पर अप्रत्याशित हमला करने की तैयारी में थी कांग्रेस। अब एक और वीडियो जो कांग्रेस ने इलीगली शूट किया वो दिखाता है कि कैसे 20 से 25 कांग्रेसी स्पीकर साहब को गाली दे रहे थे, उंगली दिखा रहे थे, चिल्ला रहे थे और प्रधानमंत्री को भी अपशब्द बोल रहे थे, धमकी दे रहे थे। ये दिखाता है कि कांग्रेस की मानसिकता और मंशा क्या है। वो दरअसल हर बार केवल और केवल संवैधानिक संस्थाओं को गाली देना चाहती है और फिर नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन लाती है, कभी इलेक्शन कमीशन के खिलाफ, कभी स्पीकर के खिलाफ, कभी वाइस प्रेसिडेंट के खिलाफ, कभी प्रेसिडेंट के खिलाफ। असलियत तो ये है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी की एंटाइटल्ड और इमरजेंसी मानसिकता है जो राहुल गांधी की है।
So there are multiple reactions coming in on Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju's statement. Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra says we did not abuse anyone. 1-2 MPs were agitated and they expressed it. He also said that I was encouraging them, which is a lie. So she is clarifying on the allegations that have been leveled by Kiran Rijiju. Priyanka Gandhi says, I was sitting quietly in the end. I said a couple of things, but that too peacefully.
अब्यूज नहीं किया, कुछ एक दो एमपी थे जिनको जो थोड़े ज़्यादा नाराज़ थे, तो उन्होंने वो एक्सप्रेस किया, अपनी नाराज़गी एक्सप्रेस की। और मैंने ये भी देखा है कि मैं पीछे से इनकरेज कर रही थी, बिल्कुल झूठे हुए चुपचाप बैठी थी। और अंत में मैंने एक दो चीज़ें बोली शांति से स्पीकर साहब को।
I'm challenging them. Let them reply that. Rahul Gandhi ji, leader of opposition, raised most important pertinent issues yesterday during this speech. Nirmala Sitharaman didn't utter a single word about that. Kiran Rijiju tweeted a video after adjourning the house. Where Kiran Rijiju got that video? How can he access that video, parliament video, Kiran Rijiju? He is the parliamentary minister become unparliamentary now.
Let's go across to Mohit, who's joining us live on the broadcast. Mohit, war of words continues. Kiran Rijiju says गाली गलौच हो रही थी speaker's chamber में. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra issues a clarification, says I was sitting there quietly. There were some MPs who were agitated and they expressed it.
Well, Swati, you see, this video came out few days ago, and at that particular time also, we saw how the BJP MPs and Kiran Rijiju stated that this was very unbecoming of the Congress MPs to barge into the speaker's room, and they behave in an unaccepted manner. But today also, he has put out those videos, said that House Speaker was threatened, abusive language was being used against him, and also threats were issued to the Prime Minister of the country. And hence we saw that how exactly the Congress party has also reacted to it. We have seen the reaction coming in from Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and other Congress MPs who clearly have denied all these allegations. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has accepted that yes, the MPs were agitated, but have rejected the claims that have been made by Kiran Rijiju. We know for a fact that how the government has been saying that the opposition party, specifically the Congress party, they did not want to run the House. In fact, threats were issued against the Speaker, threats were issued against the Prime Minister, and in fact, we saw that House Speaker on the floor of the House stated that the way the Congress MPs were behaving, specifically the women MPs, if Prime Minister on that particular day would have come to Lok Sabha to address, then some untoward incident could have happened. And that is where the BJP is continuing with their attack with this video, saying that the Congress MPs barged into the Speaker's room, they used derogatory language against the Prime Minister, and also abused and threatened the Speaker. So what we see is massive political war of words between the government and the opposition, while the Congress party says that these are also the diversionary tactics by the government, because certain pertinent questions have been raised by Rahul Gandhi in his speech. Now, when it comes to speech of Rahul Gandhi, what we are being told is that most of his speech would be expunged. So we can expect that the face-off between the government and the Congress party will
intensify, that's for sure. Mohit, stay on with us. We have some breaking inputs coming